Hello students, welcome to the class of standard 5. Let's continue with the chapter number 3, how many squares. Let's move on to the page number 38. Guess which animal's footprint will have the same area as yours. Discuss. Can you guess whose footprint will have the same area as yours? Yes, the footprint of a monkey may be similar in area as my footprint. Here are some footprints of animals in actual sizes. Guess the area of their footprints. So can you guess what is the area of hen's footprint? Approximately? Yes, the area of hen's footprint is 3 square centimeter. Let's count. 1, this half and half, 2, this half and this both. So 3 square centimeter is the area of hen's footprint. Now what is the area of dog's footprint? Can you guess? Let's count. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, this 8, and if we add this 9, half of 9 means 9 and half. So the area of dog's footprint is 9 square centimeter approximately. Let's move on to the page number 39. Here footprint of a tiger is given. Make big squares and rectangles like this to find the area faster. As here made one rectangle, you can also make big squares and rectangles to find the area faster. So here I have made different shape to find the area faster and name it A, B, C, D and E. So let's find out the area of shape A, B, C and D. Now let's calculate the area of part A. So complete squares are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 complete square. Then more than half filled square are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and this is half square. So 9 plus means 5 complete square plus 9 more than half filled square and 1 half square is equal to 14.5 square centimeter. Now let's calculate the area of this part B. So how many complete squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 complete square. And more than half filled square is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So more than half filled square are 6. Complete square 7. More than half filled square 6 and 0 half filled square. So 7 plus 6 is equal to 13 square centimeter is the area of part B and half filled square is 1. Complete square is equal to 7 plus more than half filled square is equal to how many complete squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 complete square. And more than half filled square, let's calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1 half filled square. So 6 plus 8 plus 1 half, that means 0.5. 14.5 is the area of part C. Now area of part D. How many complete squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 complete square. And more than half filled square? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 complete square plus 5 more than half filled square is equal to 10 square centimeter is the area of part D. So area of part A is equal to 14.5 square centimeter, area of part B is equal to 13 square centimeter, area of part C is equal to 14.5 square centimeter, and area of D is 10 square centimeter. Now let's calculate the area of part E. So first count how many complete square, then more than half filled square, and then half filled square. So how many complete squares are there? Total complete squares are 96. Half filled squares are 2. This 1 and 2 are half filled square, and more than half filled square you can count from here 24. Complete square are 96. More than half filled squares are 24, and 2 are half. So 96 plus 24 plus 1 is equal to 120 square centimeter. So here area of tiger's footprint is equal to part A plus part B plus part C plus part D plus part E. If we add these all numbers, all area, we will get 173 square centimeter is the area of tiger's footprint. Let's understand this by calculation. Area of part A is equal to 5 complete square, 9 more than half filled square, and 1 half filled square. So 5 plus 9 plus 0.5 is equal to 14.5 square centimeter. Now area of part B is equal to 7 complete square plus 6 more than half filled square, and 0 half filled square. So 7 plus 6 is equal to 13 square centimeter. Now area of part C is equal to 6 complete square plus 8 more than half filled square plus 1 half square, that divide by 2. So 6 plus 8 14 plus 0.5 is equal to 14.5 square centimeter. Then area of part B, 5 complete square, 5 more than half filled square, and 0 half filled square. So 5 plus 5 is equal to 10 square centimeter. Then area of part E is equal to total 96 complete squares, 24 more than half filled square, and 2 half filled square. Half filled square, so divide by 2. 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. So 96 plus 24 is equal to 120 plus 1 is equal to 121 square centimeter. Hence area of tiger's footprint is equal to 14.5 plus 13 plus 14.5 plus 10 plus 121 is equal to 173 square centimeter. Now let's come to the page number 40. Here how many squares in me? So girl asks, what is the area of this triangle? She is talking about this triangle. Green triangle. What is the area of this triangle? So boy replies, the triangle is half the rectangle of area 2 square centimeter. So its area is dash square centimeter. Here the area of rectangle is 1 and 2 square centimeter, and the triangle is half the rectangle. That means the area of the triangle is half the rectangle. So 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. So 1 square centimeter. Here 2 divided by 2. Now here girl asks, is this shape half of the big rectangle? So she is talking about this shape. this shape. So is this shape half of the big rectangle? What is the area of big rectangle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So area of this big rectangle is 8 square centimeter, and this shape is half of the big rectangle. So area of this shape will be half of the big rectangle. That means 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4 square centimeter is the area of this shape.
Your homework is write these all sums in your fair notebook. Thank you.